Hello, I want to update the original video about how to share your team's presentation after you put your Google Mix recordings on it. And so basically this is like the original video. There is the presentation that has the speaker. You can see that each of these are slide recorded.
Well, hello, Barracuda. It's exciting to be here today.
So you can see here this video as well as all the other team members on the presentation, each of the individual team members. Now you can do this where each person creates their slides at their home individually, and then you can merge them together in one document by cutting and pasting, because these video clips that you use create in Office Mix can be cut and pasted and moved, and the whole slide could be moved as well by just copying and pasting. So you can see here I copied it and then I also pasted it. The video is on this slide, the video is on this slide, so you can do that as well. Okay, so I'm going to save this. It's a revised because of this new video, and now I'm going to go into Google Drive instead of Google Slides. So how you do that is you click in those 9 squares again, go to Google Drive. You want to go into Google Drive instead of Google Slides, and the reason why is if you go into Google Slides, it is an app that will end up converting your files if you upload it, converting those recordings to static photo images, which is going to defeat the whole purpose of this presentation. So instead, what you're going to do is you are going to be uploading a file, and I previously did this. I uploaded the revised team project, and I did that by going into My Drive and then clicking on the upload files, going to where you located the document, and then you click open, and then it will go through the motions of uploading the file. Remember, because of the screen recordings, the file will take a few minutes to upload. This file took about 2.5 minutes to upload. That's why I am not going through the process, so you don't have to watch this video for that long period of time. So now that you have this document, what you're going to need to do is, instead of clicking on it like this and hitting open, this will open it in Google Slides. And then all those images that have recordings, they'll turn into pictures or static images. Instead, what you want to do is you want to click on this download button. By clicking on the download button, it will actually open in the program and not in an app. So here it's going to say that it can't scan for viruses because it's too large. Hit download anyway. I'm in Chrome, so the download appears here at the bottom. If you click this open, it will upload it, and it might take a second to upload because, again, it's a large file. And now, as you see, it's opening. Here's the new file. You can see here it says enabling editing, so you know this is the newer one. And now, because it's opened up in the program, all of these slides have the recordings again, and you can see that it's fully functional. You can share it this way with your team members, so your team gets to see and add their slides to the presentation, or this is how you would end up sending it to your professor. So now let's say that you have shared it and it's in its final format. So in Google Drive, what you'll end up doing with your file, again, instead of opening it up and going into Google Slides, you'll right click, you'll hit share, and then if you're sharing with other team members or your professor, you can type your professor's name, whether it be Ms. Larson or myself, Dr. Webb, and or any other professor that you might have in your business communication or strategic business communication classes. Once you share that, your professor will then be able to upload that document the same way, either by downloading it from the file here or by right-clicking it and hitting download in this location. So hopefully this will make sense, and you will be able to share not only with your team members but with your professor. And once your professor has your final document, in Google Drive. They will upload it into an Office Mix or into a YouTube video, which is done by going into the Mix tab, exporting to video, and then it'll be on YouTube so that you can do your final, you can watch, each team member can watch these presentations. So I hope this was informative, and I hope you enjoy using Office Mix. Take care.